Mmm, wow! Do you also want to try this smoky delicious recipe at home? Stay tuned for the same.
Hello guys, welcome to Taste and Life. Before we move to our new tasty recipe, please click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Today we will be making smoky paneer tikka. For this recipe you will need curdled milk, red chili powder 2 tablespoons, turmeric 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, fresh cream 4 tablespoons, salt to taste, onion, capsicum, roughly chopped, oil which is optional. We are using homemade paneer. If you are using ready-made paneer, then you can skip this step. Take a vessel, place net or jali over it. Onto that, keep a cloth. This is the process to drain out the excess water out of the curdled milk. Use a spoon to quickly remove water out of milk. Make sure that you don't remove whole water, as you will need some moisture in paneer to make the paneer soft. This is the paneer that we will need. On an empty vessel, place a flat strainer and keep the paneer along with the cloth and press gently. Make it even so that we get equal sized paneer, like this. Now keep another vessel on it filled with water and keep it aside for 2 hours. Take off the upper vessel. Then carefully remove the paneer on a plate. Take off the cloth carefully. This is how your paneer should look like. Now cut it into pieces like this. They should not be very small or very big. Look how soft our paneer has become. Now keep paneer pieces in freezer for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the masala. Take a bowl, add red chili powder, turmeric and coriander powder in it. Mix these dry ingredients properly. Then add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream and mix. Now add remaining fresh cream and mix properly. You can even add oil in this step. Now add salt and mix properly. Take out the paneer pieces and add it in the mixture and apply this mixture on paneer thoroughly. Once done, add roughly chopped onion and capsicum and mix carefully. Now insert onion, capsicum and paneer into the skewers in such a way that paneer is covered by onion and capsicum from either sides. Light up the gas stove and let paneer cook from all the sides. Be careful while doing this step. Look how smoky it has become. Your smoky paneer tikka is ready.
Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.